everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am so very excited to review a pressure washer. Well, this is a Grandfalls Pressure Washer Pro by Giraffe Tools, and this is the best pressure washer in 2024 that you can find. Well, my husband has a windows cleaning and pressure washing cleaning and like buildings maintenance type of a business for almost 20 years right now. So he used to do this for a living. He is an expert and a professional in pressure washing, and he said that that's the best pressure washer he saw so far in his entire life, and he was doing pressure washing for business, commercial pressure washing, not just private but commercial pressure washing for the last 20 years. So I guess he knows what he's talking about. So I let my husband to fully control, use and experience this pressure washer. So I'm so very happy, guys, to share this with you right now and to share more details about this specific pressure washer by Giraffe Tools. Well, let's get started. Excited to introduce you to Grandfalls Pressure Washer Pro. This one comes with a stronger pressure and it's ideal for any type of a deep, versatile cleaning. It comes with an upgraded motor as well, so it is quieter than the previous and other models. So the motor will give you a max pressure of 3200s of PSI, and this is a brushless motor, as well as this type of a motor gives a longer lifespan. The noise in operation of this pressure washer is anywhere between 78 to 80 decibels, which this is 3 times lower noise than a gas pressure washer will give you. This Grandfalls Pressure Washer Pro is equipped with the independently developed custom TPH springs with a dark gold sheen. That's for a better torque performance and for the last fading of the pressure washer. So you are welcome to enjoy a longer lasting lifetime of this Pressure Washer Pro by Giraffe Tools. So it is an upgraded induction motor, which makes it less noisy and increases the service life of this device, as well as it comes with a total stop system. That type of a system will automatically shut off the pump when the trigger is not engaged. That will save the machine from any type of damaging, from overheating, as well as it's going to save energy and prolonging the pump's life. You can reach every cleaning corner with this pressure washer since it equipped with 100 feet of ultra soft high pressure hose. It makes anywhere easy to clean without snags and cracks. It is absolutely all about satisfying the multiple cleaning demands. It's equipped with 4 different spray nozzles. The nozzles, by the way, are very quick and easy to connect and to disconnect and to reconnect to the pressure washer. So it's very easy and fast and quick to change the nozzle for multiple different type of tasks. The 4 different type of nozzles are the 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees. The 0 degrees nozzle is good for the crevice cleaning. The 15 degrees nozzle will work best for a driveway cleaning. The 25 degrees nozzle will work best for any type of outdoors cleaning. The 40 degrees nozzle will be best for any type of vehicles cleaning. And then you have a 5 type of a nozzle. It's not a nozzle, but it's a type of a nozzle. I cannot call it actually nozzle, but it's a soap nozzle, and that's the one that will give you a thicker foam. So all that will give you basically the endless ability for any type of cleaning modes. So 5 quick connect nozzles for the best any type of multiple tasks. Also, it comes with a metal gun stick and a metal connector foam, which cannot produce a thicker foam to improve the cleaning efficiency even more. It's gonna save your energy, time and space. It has an auto retract ability, so there is no need for you to spend your valuable time on retracting the cable of the pressure washer by yourself. The machine is gonna do it all for you, basically self-service. Also, it has a self-layering mechanism installed. That type of a mechanism will make the automatic tidy possible. So this machine is all about automation and, as I said, self-service. It also has a wall-mounted design, and by the way, the wall mounting installation was a breeze. It was extra easy. We installed it in our garage and it worked absolutely great. It comes with a very clear explanation and user guide, like installation and mounting type of a guide, which was extra helpful and very clear on how to mount this device on our wall in our garage once again. Also, it comes a self-storage feature, which will make your private space cozy and neat. It comes in 2 different colors, black silver or light silver, as well as this is the upgraded model that's called Pro. This is the model I'm reviewing. Once again, Pressure Washer Pro. That's the upgraded and the newest model that the Giraffe Tools just launched with. You can use this pressure washer by Giraffe Tools for any type of cleaning needs and projects. Like you can clean your car. Any type of a car can be cleaned with this pressure pressure washer device. You can clean your outdoor furniture, you can clean any type of ponds or pool maintenance that you are having. You can pressure wash your roof or any type of a ceiling cleaning. You can clean your driveway and your walkway with this device, as well as you can clean, let's say, outdoor barbecue or any other type of a yard cleaning needs that you are having. You can clean the siding of your house as well. Well, you can clean every single thing with this pressure washer. You can absolutely add different types of accessories to this pressure washer, like a washer cover, like surface cleaner, and so forth on. They're all available through the link that I will leave you down below at the description box to this video of mine. This pressure washer also has a smart lock, so it's easy to basically lock and unlock it, as well as it comes with a safely customized cleaning abilities. This is basically an all-in-one design for an easy access and best self-storage. This pressure washer has a max water flow of 1.6 GMP, which gives you an easy air control of the water output. This pressure washer is easily removing any type of a dust, dirt, oil, and any other tough stains that you're having all around your outdoors and indoors as well. So guys, let's summarize these Giraffe tools. Grandfalls Pressure Washer Pro is easy to use. There is no need to spend any time preparing this device before usage. You just simply flip the switch and you're ready to go, always, all the time. So it's easy to use, it's quick, and it does an amazing and great job. I will highly recommend you guys to check it out. Well guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please let me know what do you think about this video, about this pressure washer, down below at the comments to this video of mine. I'll be so very happy to hear your opinion. If you have any experience, if you have any advice to add on top of what I said, if you have any tips, tricks to share, well, feel free to do so at the comment section. And guys, be so very sure to check out this pressure washer pro out. I will leave you all of the links down below at the description box of this video of mine, as well as any other possible information that you might need, like coupon codes, sales, promotions, links, more info about this product. Every single thing can be found down below at the description box of this video of mine, so be so very sure to check Giraffe tools out. In general, they are offering a variety of different maintained products for your backyard, for the outdoors, for indoors. They have all the tools that you need, and all of their tools are in an excellent high quality. That's something I can guarantee. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. That was actually all for today. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO. Valentine.